Hello everyone, my name is Lydia and I am a professional TFL certified English teacher based in Italy. Welcome to my channel where you need only 10 minutes per day to learn English. And today we are going to talk about a verb to be. So let me explain you why we use this verb to be. We use it especially in present simple when we describe things, objects, people, and when we want to say where the objects are, for example, or where people are. So let's take a look at my notes and I'm going to show you how we form this fantastic verb to be. Let's dive in.
Let's start, and first of all, we are going to learn about how we form present simple. So let's see. I am. You are. The form is are. He, she, it is. We, they are. Let's keep in mind that we use you are, I am, yes, but he, she, it is. It can be also, for example, Anne is a student. Peter is my neighbor. So it is not always he, she, it. The same works with we and with they. So they, it can be, for example, my friends are kind, right? So please keep this in mind. And as I said also before, we use present simple to be when we describe ourselves, when we talk about ourselves, our profession, our personality, we describe, and also we say where the things are. For example, a book is on the table. So as you can see, a book, it is it, right? So we say absolutely right that a book is on the table. And also my friends, they, that's why we say are, right? Okay, I hope there are no questions. And let's move to one exercise. Let's do it together. So we have I. What should we choose here? 3, 2, 1. M. Correct. Yes, perfect. She from Spain, right? Let's take a look. He, she, it. We should put here is. We, let's remember, I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are. Correct. My brother, what we do here? My brother, it is I, it is you, it is we, they, my brother, he, right? So we choose is. Perfect. There, it's quite simple. They are, you are, and the cafe, the cafe. The cafe, is it we, they, which pronoun we can put instead? The cafe, it, like a book, right? So in this case, we put the cafe is. Yay! So we have finished this exercise, and I hope it was useful for you.